Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So how is everyone doing? I hope you're well. We're doing well, thank you so much. All right, so you saw the hashtag share along, where we're sharing smaller content creators who have tutorials on their channels. We're making something of theirs and then showing it on our channel and giving them a shout out and kind of a review of their tutorial. So I have another one. I was just thinking about this one this morning actually, and I'm like, oh, I made something of hers a while back, so let's share it along with the other hashtag share along tutorials. So this is called the Lacey Hexagon Cardigan. It's by the beautiful Teresa from Crochet. Hi Teresa. So this tutorial was easy to follow. It was fun to make, and I think it's so gorgeous and elegant. All right, so let's take a look. So this is it. And this is the back. It's very easy to make. It worked up rather quickly. And are you wondering, what kind of yarn is that? Well, I used shawl in a ball, and the colorway is Cleansing Quartz. Now I made this quite a while ago, a year or more ago, but I will link Craving Crochet's tutorial below if you guys want to make one of these. I just love it. I really love it. Really love it. And it's easy to do and it's fun. And Teresa's just a sweetheart. She really is. All right, so I'm asking other content creators to join in on this hashtag share along, and we have a couple so far, and one of them is Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. Sorry about that. And the other one is Sabrina Mallow Juice. Yes. So if you click on that hashtag share along in the title, it'll take you to their videos as well, so check them out. I'm hoping a lot more people will join in. Yeah, come on you YouTubers. And or maybe they're making something already and they just haven't shown it yet. I don't know, or they didn't put the hashtag. I don't know. But if you don't have a channel, of course you can join in. And you can put your pictures of whatever you made and who the designer was and the name of their tutorial in their Facebook group, if they have one, in my Facebook group, wherever. Spread it all over the place, because I'm trying to help out the smaller channels to, helping them out. That's what I'm doing. I'm helping them out. I got a lot of help when I first started and still do, and yeah, so that's what this is about, just sharing each other's channels, and yeah. So that is it for this video right now, and I'm working on a design, a tutorial. I actually was going to make the design in a 2-weight, and I still am, but I was starting to do the tutorial in the 2-weight. And it's just the way we're positioned when we're videotaping with our arms sitting on the table. I kept losing my stitch, like my stitches would come off my hook. I'd miss a stitch. I forgot how to make a magic ring. So I did it wrong. So I deleted all those. I'm gonna have to start over, but I'm gonna use a thicker yarn. It'll be easier to work with, and I knew not to use a really thin yarn for a tutorial because of what I said, the way we're positioned when we we film the tutorials. Anyway, so, but I'm still making one in a 2 weight, and I've already made one in a 4 weight. So then the yarn I'll use for the tutorial will be, if all goes well, a 3 weight. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye.